Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. Now it's Lenovo Thinkpad 4080s. And it's one of the best laptop out there beside Dell XPS. I was kind of a little bit confused, either want to buy Dell or XPS or ThinkPad, and let's have a look. I think we can open it from here. Try to cut it with the knife now. Hope, yeah, there you go. And so this is the first time, so let's see what is inside. I think it won't. Right. Ooh, look at that. Packaging is a little bit kind of like not done really well. Think I wouldn't complain because let's put it outside. It's very difficult with one hand. Let's stop it. I'll just pause it for a bit and get it out one by one. So see what is inside of the laptop now. That is quite interesting. It's what is inside? Let's see. I think this is probably the power adapter. Let's see. I'll just put this one aside for a bit. And so inside you have kind of safety manual here and some probably warranty and stuff, and it's good. Let's put it aside. And here is thing like a power brick, 65 watt or quite handy. And for the laptop itself, let's see what they can offer. You know what, notice about it? It's not as light as I thought it would be, but the font size is very small, I think, and looks really premium. And let's see, and open it, just rip it off. It's very difficult to use it only with one hand. So yeah, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Feels so premium. Let's try to open it. Oh, can be easily opened with one hand. One other nice thing. Whoa. It's so feels so nice to open it, and the material is quite quite good. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.